Hi everyone, I'm Ben Swathwood, District Sales Manager for Raptor at Keystone RV. Today we're going to take a look at the Raptor 351. This toy hauler offers a tandem axle, U-shaped kitchen with an 11-foot garage. When we designed this floor plan, we strategically removed the slide from the campsite to create a large and cozy outdoor campsite. With two awnings that cover the entire length of the unit, an outdoor entertainment center, you can now enjoy all the outside of your camper with all the amenities and no restrictions to your campsite. By doing this, we created Raptor's shortest yet lightest weight unit, making it perfect for every type of camper. Come on in, take a look for yourself. Thanks for joining us as we looked at this new exciting floor plan. For more information, visit us online or check out your local dealer. See you soon, guys.